Hi, I'm Muhammad Idris, your physics teacher. Today, dear students, our topic is about a physical quantity. What is a physical quantity? Now, we are going to discuss about it. A quantity which can be measured. Dear students, a quantity which can be measured, then we say it is a physical quantity. Or its another definition is that property of matter which is related to measurements of property of matter which is related to measurement. Then we say it also a physical quantity. These students, in your practical life, you measure lot of things by yourself. For example, you measure the length of a book. Your teacher gives you activity. Oh, Abdullah, please measure the length of this book. So you take this book and with the help of meter rod, and you say that sir, length of this book is 10 centimeter or 20 centimeter. So this is called physical quantity. After that, teacher gives you another activity. Okay, dear students, measure the mass of this book. So you measure this mass of book and say that this is the mass is 1 kilogram. So these are the physical quantity. Simple, you can make it by yourself. You can make the things, you can make the different objects, their size, volume, weight, etc. with the help of different measuring instrument by yourself. That is called a physical quantity. Simple, you can measure it in your practical life. That are called a physical quantity. And students, there are types of physical quantities now. There are two types of physical quantity. Number one is a scalar quantity, and second is a vector quantity. So now we discuss one by one what is a physical quantity, scalar quantity, and what is a vector quantity. So this students, scalar quantity, a scalar is a physical quantity that has magnitude only. A scalar quantity which has magnitude only. It is a that type of physical quantity which need only magnitude. If we come in detail, that is a magnitude and proper unit. Mean that type of physical quantity which is necessary to require magnitude and its proper units. Come to example. Dear student, this is your favorite car, and teacher give you activity. Dear students, make the length of this car. So see here students, this is the length of car, and instrument is given to you. Car is in front of you, and you have to measure length of car. So these students, you measure the length of car. This length of car, it is a physical quantity, and 4.5, it is a magnitude, and meter is a proper unit. So as we described earlier, that it needs magnitude and proper units. So here 4.5 is a magnitude and meter is a unit. What is the magnitude? These students, magnitude, it is a numerical value. Magnitude, it is a numerical value. 4.5 meter, 10 meter, or any other objects you measure, then numerical values are considered as a magnitude. Say it a value. You buy something, you go to a shop and say, give me 1 kilogram of sugar. He demands you 5 riyal. So 5, it is a numerical value, that is a magnitude. And kilogram, it is a proper unit. So this is a physical quantity. Mass, you have a gold bar or any other objects, then teacher said you, okay, make the mass of this gold bar. So one is a number here and kilogram is a proper unit. And mass is a physical quantity. So physical quantity, it is a that type of quantity which required magnitude and as well as proper unit. This is called a scalar quantity, and it is a type of physical quantity. And another example, there is a watch. You have to measure a time. Teacher gives you any activity, and you say that you will complete this activity, and you measure the time, and you say that 12.76 second is there. So time is here. It is a physical quantity, and it is a scalar quantity because it requires only magnitude and proper unit. There is no need of direction. And 12.76, that is a numerical value, and S is a second, and this is a proper unit. After that, measuring temperature, this is a thermometer, and you have to measure the temperature of your body. You use the thermometer and set that temperature of your body is 36.8 degrees centigrade. So temperature is a physical quantity, it is a scalar quantity, and 36.8, it is a numerical value, magnitude, and centigrade, it is a proper unit. So after that, what is a vector quantity? Vector is a physical quantity that has both magnitude and as well as a direction. So this is called a vector quantity. So dear students, we need magnitude, proper unit, and particular direction. So dear students, keep in your mind, we have one extra thing, that is a particular direction. So for example, there is a uh, map, and California is situated here, and this is a North Carolina, and you want to find the position of California from North Carolina, and this is a 3600 kilometer in the west. Now, dear students, see here, observe here from this map. This is the position. The position he told us that is 3600 kilometer away from California, North Carolina. It is away from 3600 kilometer from in the direction of west. So 3600 kilometer, it is a magnitude, kilometer it is a unit, and west is a direction. So dear students, we see here there is a need an extra thing. This is a particular direction. So vector quantity is a that type of physical quantity which need a, that is a magnitude, suitable unit, and particular direction. Thanks you dear students.